Kamusta naman yung yung buhay ng international student?
Madaming pogi.
Hi guys! So, welcome back to our channel. Ako po si T. So, for today's video, samahan nyo kong pumasok sa aking school dahil ako ay, madami nagtatanong kasi na from Singapore, ba't kami pumuntang Canada? So, ito yung isang reason. Ako po ngayon ay isang international student dito sa Canada. Ayan, at ang course ko po ay postgraduate Advanced Project Management and Strategic Leadership dito sa Lambton College dito sa Toronto. So, today is Thursday. So, may pasok ako ng dalawang subject, which is yung job search and project management of the project. Basta risk at procurement. Yun yung subject ko for today. And so, samahan niyo ako sa aking school. At sobrang ibang-iba yung sobrang ibang-iba yung school dito sa Toronto compare sa Pinas at Singapore. Ayan. Maliit lang yung school namin. More on international student. Pero yung main branch is dun sa Sarnia. Yun yung may mga local students din. Yun yung mas malaking campus. Wait lang. And usually, so ngayon, term 2 ko na. Nag-start kasi yung nag-start yung school ko ng January. So, winter intake ako. So, today summer. So, term 2 ko na. At bandang September, yun yung term break ko. Yung parang sem break sa Pinas. Ganun. Yun. Tapos yung course na to ay 4 terms. So, by next year, graduate na ako. At so far, sa term 1, okay naman yung mga grades ko. Thankfully. Ayan. At hopefully, this term 2 ay maging okay naman yung mga grades ko. Ayan. So, samahan nyo ako. Pero before that, bibili muna tayo ng kape. So ayan, tapos na ang aming first subject. At kasama ko ngayon ang aking Filipino friend at classmate, si Nico.
Hi everyone!
Nagagawa na siya ng assignment.
Yeah, para matapos na.
Oo, kasi busy mom siya.
Busy working mom.
Yun ang title niya.
Student
Student/mom
working mom.
Ayan, so punta tayo sa kabilang section dahil mas madaming Pilipino doon. Wala sila sa kabilang classroom. Mga naka-vacation mode pa ata sila. Oo. So, wala pa yung friends namin sa kabilang classroom. So, meron kaming 30 minutes break. At ang next class namin ay 6:30 to 9:30. So, 3 more hours. So, ayan, nakita ko ang aking isang former classmate na si Kristen. Hi, Kristen!
Hi!
So, ayan, classmates kami nung term 1 at sobrang close namin sa isa't isa. Ayan.
Sobrang close.
Sobrang close. At sobrang generous nitong girl na to. Kamusta naman yung buhay ng international student?
Madaming pogi.
Sa school?
Hindi. Joke lang. Sa downtown. Punta na dito para sa mga madaming pogi.
Sa mga single dyan.
Oo. Sa single dyan, puntahan na dito sa Canada para maghanap ka na ng blue eyes mo.
Yan, blue eyes. Ayan. International student pinag-usapan natin.
Oo.
Ay, punta tayo doon.
Okay.
Hi guys, we're vlogging. Can we include you? So, eto pa.
Kecho Machunik.
And Rahul. This is Rahul. He's single. He's available.
Yeah, I'm available.
We have a private class today, guys.
Private?
Yeah, just us.
No one is here.
Just us 5.
Oh, they don't have...
Listen to your class. We start.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view.
So, tapos na ang aming class for tonight. At kasabay ko yung mga classmates ko papuntang subway. At here's my classmate, Niru. Hi! So, she's Nepali. From Nepal. At mukha siyang Filipino, right? See? You look like a Filipino.
Do I?
Yes. So, how's your experience as an international student here in Canada?
It's hard. I don't like it. I don't like it so far.
How is it different in Nepal?
So in Nepal, I think for me, I had more opportunities there than in here. Till now,
The school.
this school is kind of hectic here. Not lot of free time. Too much pressure. So many assignments.
In Nepal, it's relaxed.
It's relaxing. We can copy assignments from each other. You know, once my friends, they photocopied my assignment. Yeah, they did photocopy of my assignment and they submitted it, and that professor did not even notice it.
So
they
you-
got the marks.
So you get a lot of high grades, all of you,
Yeah.
because you submit the same thing.
But I was mad. They did not even copy it. They took my assignment. They went to the photocopy machine and they just copied it.
So effortless.
Yeah.
So that's it, guys. So that's Niru from Nepal. Anything else to say?
Nothing.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want and I pray. All I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes.
Bahay at pagdating ko tulog na si Ann. Kasi for sure pagod na pagod yun. Everyday naman yun na pag nahiga na yun, pagdating nun kakain lang, tapos may higa na kasi pagod na pagod sa work. So pagdating ko, tulog na siya. Ayan, so ayun yung a day ko. Ayun yung araw ko as a international student dito sa Canada. At nakita niyo yung school ko, yung mga classmates ko, and more on iba-ibang lahi yung mga classmates ko. May taga Nepal, may mostly Indians, tapos may Spanish, may mga taga Brazil, may taga Mexico, yun. So, iba-ibang lahi. At mga mababait sila. At nakakatuwa kasi diverse yung yung school na parang na madaming mamimit na iba-ibang nationalities. Ayan. So far masaya ako as an international student kasi madaming matututunan na new things, ang daming mamimit na mga bagong tao, at dito sa Canada sobrang importante yung networking yun. So, mas madali, mas makaka-help lalo na sa paghahanap ng work yung network. So, kailangan maging extrovert para, alam mo yun, parang kailangan advantage mga extrovert para makamit ng new people. So, ayan guys, thank you for watching, and I hope na na-share ko sa inyo yung experience ko dito sa Canada as international student. At thank you for watching, and comment lang kayo kung ano pa yung pwede namin i-share sa inyo at gagawin namin ni Ann yan. Ayan, so ano pa yung mga gusto nyo malaman dito sa Canada. So, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel, and sa aming Instagram din, Team Dili-Dili and Ann Miklat. So, follow nyo lang kami sa Instagram. Pwede rin nyo kaming i-message doon. So, see you again guys for our next vlog. Thank you for watching.